Alright, well, I ordered some stuff. So, I was like, I'd like to order this. Just because it comes with this cord, it looks pretty long. And this driver and all this other stuff. And I'm pretty sure the kit isn't going to come with that. But, I went ahead and ordered the kit. So this is the kit that I ordered. And, should be here Saturday, I guess. So you have the board here where the connections go for different things. You have to wind the binocular core and then all these toroids. Well, I guess you're going to have to measure the wire or figure it out, or I don't know how you're supposed to do it. I'm hoping I don't screw it up. But I guess I better be real careful. So yeah, this thing shows you the buttons and stuff. If this seems to work good, I might order another one, like later on. One of these other ones that actually has like a battery inside of it. Also, I think I saw another deal on one where I can tell there's 12 volt right here. But I can see that this is actually a circuit drawing by N7DDC. I think that these are like not legit. It is basically like they're a copy of somebody else's design. I think that's what it boils down to. Some of these other ones, there is actually some stuff on the board that shows it shows basically different places that you can put different voltages, and it even has like something labeled ICOM. Anyway, we went and ordered that for $29, and this is the one I was talking about, the Nano one. This is sold by WinCamp, but we'll go into here and look at it. Oh, where'd it go? Okay, we can look in here and we can see 5 volts in, battery, 12 volts, something here that says for ICOM, 12 volts in. So this board here is really similar, but it's different. So, and the chips are different, but I wouldn't mind buying this one just because it has the extra stuff on the board, which might make it easier to do stuff with it. I don't know where the battery's height. Oh yeah, that one's got the battery there. The other ones have like a polymer battery somewhere else. Cool thing about this one is this is like easily replaceable. I don't know what that battery is called offhand. So, and it shows you how small this is. I expect like all of them will be about that small, and not like this. But the reason I don't use this one is because I've never really needed it portable, and it doesn't have a display that works for anything. So in my truck, I have a radio that doesn't have an SWR meter. It's called a DX70 Alinco. So I need the display. I need to be able to see my SWR because the radio doesn't actually do that. The radio will only read, it has a relative S meter for transmit. And you can tell when you don't have a good match because you see you're not putting out full power, the radio's folding back power. But I use the radio in the truck on 10 meters, and I've got an 11 meter antenna on the truck. It's a Wilson 1000. I'm listening to these guys over here. Anyway, so this one here had a 10% coupon and some other coupon, and I thought, well, it's actually about $77. Yeah, 10%. And you get $8.50 off it. So I was tempted to buy it, but at this point, now that I've ordered the kit, I'm not gonna probably order anything else. I like these ones here. I just wish they had the extra buttons on them, like this other one. I want all these buttons here for when I'm driving. I can put it in bypass mode if I don't want to use the damn thing. Or so I can put it in bypass mode and actually see what the SWR is without it trying to correct it. So, this is basically what we'll... This is the $76 one we'll be basically getting for, like... This would be about $85 maybe, if you buy it. So I think we just spent about 60 something, and we'll get to build the kit, which will be kind of cool. I've never built anything like this, so it should be fun. So anyway, tomorrow is Thanksgiving, and I don't know if the radio is going to be quiet or what's going to be going on, but we kind of already cooked our turkey and did all that stuff, so we're kind of just gonna sit around tomorrow, I guess, and let the kids run wild or something. So anyway, I'll catch you guys later. I think I'm done ordering stuff. I spent a little more money than I really wanted to.